In this video, we show how to replace riser 3 in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove riser 3 with the cover removed, loosen the 4 captive screws on the rear of the riser. Then lift up on the latch to open the cable access path, and then pull back on the blue latch and then lift the riser up and lay it over across the system. Now remove the air shroud from the system, as well as the fan cage assembly. Next, disconnect the cables from the system board, from the HPM, and then unroute them. And then you can remove the riser 3. To install riser 3, first connect your cables, your data cables, to the HPM. Make sure your cables are routed. Then replace the fan cage assembly and the air shroud. With the air shroud replaced, you can run the riser 3 back across and lower into place. Close the latch and then tighten the 4 captive screws to secure it in place. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.